What's the meaning of cooking? Cooking. Cooking.
Cooking. Cooking. Cooking refers to the process of preparing food by applying heat. The result is that raw ingredients are transformed into a flavorful, nutritious meal that can be enjoyed by individuals or groups. Cooking involves a range of techniques, including baking, roasting, frying, boiling, and grilling. It also requires the use of various tools and equipment such as pots, pans, ovens, and stovetops. The final result of cooking is a delicious dish, which can bring people together, nourish their bodies, and satisfy their taste buds.